In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a blog on Shopify. We'll walk through the entire process, from creating your main blog to publishing your first post and then adding it to your store's navigation so visitors can actually find it. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand panel, look for the section labeled Content. Click on that and you'll see more options appear underneath. From those options, click on Blog Posts. This is where you'll manage everything related to blogging on your store. Before we add any posts, we first need to create a blog to put them in. In the blog post area, look toward the top right and click Manage Blogs. Then again in the top right, click Add Blog. Give your blog a clear title, something that matches the type of content you'll publish, like style guides or news. Below that, you'll see the search engine listing preview. Here you can edit the page title and meta description, which is what will show up in Google search results, so keep it descriptive and relevant. On the left sidebar, you'll see the comments settings. You can disable comments entirely, allow comments but require moderation, or allow them automatically. Choose the option that best fits how you want to manage customer interaction. You can also assign the blog to a theme template, which controls how the blog page looks based on your theme's design. When you're happy with your settings, click Save either at the bottom right or near the search bar at the top. Now, let's add a blog post. Go back to the main blog posts page and click Add Blog Post in the top right. Enter a title, for example, 5 Easy Style Tips, and then add your content in the main text area. This editor supports rich text, so you can format headings, add links, and style your content for readability. Below, you'll see an optional excerpt field. This is a short summary of your post that can appear on your homepage or blog listing. You can also edit the search engine listing here, again adjusting the page title and meta description for better SEO. On the left sidebar, choose the visibility of the post, either visible, meaning it's live, or hidden if you want to save it as a draft or publish later. You can also upload a featured image, which helps your post stand out. Under the organization section, you can adjust the author name, choose which blog this post belongs to, such as the Style Guides blog, and add tags to help organize related content. You can also choose a theme template for the post if your theme offers different layouts. When everything looks good, click Save. Next, let's add your blog and post to your store navigation so customers can find them. In the left panel, under Content, click Menus. Here, choose which menu you want to use. For example, your main menu or footer menu. Inside the menu editor, click Add Menu Item. 2 fields will appear, one for the label and one for the link. To first link your blog, type a label like Style Guides. Then click in the link field, choose Blogs and select your new blog, then confirm it. Save that menu item. Now, add your specific blog post. Click Add Menu Item again. For the label, you can use your blog post title. In the link field, choose Blog Posts, then select your new post. To nest this post under the blog in your menu, hover over the small icon with vertical dots next to the post menu item, click and drag it slightly to the right underneath your blog item, and release when you see an indented blue line. This creates a drop-down structure. Finally, click Save at the bottom right or near the search bar. Your blog and blog post are now live and accessible through your store's navigation, ready for your visitors to read.